So just like we did the putting a T on here, this is a double outlet catch basin, so it's basically a T. We're going to make a cut here. Our first cut. We just need to cut clear through. Yep. And we'll make another cut back here, which is our back side of the T. Cut it a little bit long. Then we'll fit our basin on. Remember, this is solid pipe over here, so there's no fabric. Perfect. Yep. Now we're ready to backfill, and we'll bring this up to with a little riser up to the right grade. But this one was pretty deep to put a riser on it, so we'll use this one instead. So if you need to make a riser, we're here at Lowe's. They've got these small 2-foot sections. They're $16, but they definitely make your life easier. So remember, they're not available at Home Depot. To add the riser, simply cut the pipe to length and install snap on the grate. So hopefully all these tips I'm showing you will save you some time. In fact, I know they will. It's really simple stuff. Let's take a look again. Remember, we added a catch basin right here to our existing drain. That's picking up that channel drain right over there. Hey, just a quick note about live help. Video consultation via Skype. We also can do FaceTime with the iPhone, either one. Great way to help with project planning. Can help you figure out what you need to do, materials, cost, and labor as far as that goes. But sign up online and we'll get you on the schedule. We are extremely busy here in Central Florida, and hurricane season is here, but the real hurricane season is just around the corner. I urge you to sign up online as soon as you can, and I do apologize if you don't get an email back from us. We work 7 days a week. We try to do 2 jobs a day. It's we're pretty busy, but I'm sure that we can fit you into the schedule. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.